What's up, guys? It's Semi aka Junior here, bringing you another great video to the channel. If this is your first time here, guys, I'm gonna suggest, and I do mean highly suggest, we go ahead and click on the like button, hit the subscribe button, and enable bell notifications so you guys get notified every time we drop great videos like this one, whenever we go live. Because trust me, guys, you never ever want to miss out on anything we do on this channel. We do a lot of great stuff, from tech review, website reviews, game reviews, all types of reviews and stuff we go over, guys. We do a lot of great stuff and you don't want to miss out. With that said, guys, I got another thing for you today. You know what day it is? It is Wednesday. So what does that mean? Wednesday websites. And I got a great one right behind me. You can't really see what it is too much, but if you see right on the top corner right there, you see it says Sign School. This is a great website to learn how to do American Sign Language, ASL. ASL, yeah, okay, I said it right. It's a great people that want to learn a sign language or want to get the gist of little things here and there, or just want to practice your current knowledge of it. Here's a great website for it to teach you how to do everything from beginning, from intermediate, and to experts. You can improve it, learn it, everything between, guys. It is an awesome website. It has video tutorials how to do it, explains everything, and it's pretty good. I like that. I was messing around with it, and it shows a lot of great stuff. So let's go ahead and shrink myself down. It's not going to be too much of a long video, but let's shrink myself down so you can see what the website looks like. So this is the website. It's called signschool.com. You go here. Before you get to this screen, you have to sign up for it. But don't worry, guys, it is completely free. You don't pay for anything. You just sign in with your Google, or create a username with your email address, whatever you want to do. Sign in. Once you get there, you get a welcome message, and then after the welcome message, you come here. It says welcome to Sign School, and then here's some tips that you could go over. All this stuff here, and as you see, I'm signing in under me, so this is my account, Semi, right there. I'm gonna hit continue because I already went through all this. All right, and then you say get started. Now here's gonna tell you what level of ASL you're in. You're a beginner, need to know ASL. Intermediate, you know the basics, you want to improve it. Or you're an expert, as I call it, but it says advanced. But you want to continue to improve it and learn more new stuff. There you go. But if you've never done ASL, go with the beginner, like I do. All right. And then once I get started, it'll give you a whole format here, guys, that you can go through here and learn it. The basic, you click on here. Once you click on here, and then you could do this with different people, but you can just do it by yourself. Do about me. All right, my name, and then you click on it, and then this is the conversation they're gonna have. All right, so okay, we hit continue, and then you say let's go, and you hit play.
Welcome.
Hey, you signed that wrong.
No, that's not wrong. I'm left-handed, which means I sign left.
Oh, and I'm right-handed, so I sign right.
So as you watch the signs, some will use their left hand, some will use their right. But you should go ahead and use your dominant hand.
Oh, but for some signs you need to use two hands. So how would I sign name?
Your dominant hand will do the most movement.
Like this.
Anything else?
Yeah, ASL and English are two different languages. For example, the English phrase, what is your name, in ASL is what your name, because the grammatical structures are different. ASL heavily emphasizes facial expressions, so while you're learning, make sure to incorporate these two. Ready to go?
Go ahead. Let's go.
See how they interact with you and show you everything, like they start talking, but now if you move forward, you go to next, they actually start teaching you. They just present you in the beginning and sign at the same time, which I think is an awesome thing. So if I click on next, I click on next twice. See, she said learn your. Repeat again. That's your. So it's very simple. So it'll take you step by step and teach you everything one word at a time, and then eventually you'll be able to put the whole sentence together really fast, like they were doing. They were doing it really fast, but again, they're experts. They learn how to use this a very long time. So yeah, there's different ways, different modules. As you go on, it gets harder, longer. But if you want to learn it, this is a great website, and the best thing about it, it's free, guys. You don't have to worry about paying anything. I don't know. I haven't seen anything that you have to pay for, at least not yet. But again, to improve your ASL or learn it, this is a great website, guys. So that's all I want to go over today, just because I wanted to make it very quick. I don't want to go too much detail about this because this is something that you're going to have to practice on your own and learn yourself. But you get the idea of how everything works, how they introduce themselves and everything. And it's awesome. In my personal opinion, it's awesome. Alright guys, if you enjoyed the video and everything how I showed today, go ahead and give me a big old thumbs up. Show me all the love and support that you guys love to show the channel. Also guys, if you haven't done so already, please hit that share button and share it with your friends. Have them know everything we do on this channel so they're not missing out, just like you're not missing out. And if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, put them in the comment box down below and I'll get to you as soon as I can, when I can, as fast as I can. And if you still haven't done so to the end of the video, guys, hit the subscribe button and enable bell notifications so you guys get notified every time we drop great videos like this one, whenever we go live. And that's it for today, guys. Until next time, I'm out of here. Peace.